hello. Good wishes to everyone. Children, we are back to our class. In this session, we are going to see, that is, we are going to learn consonants. What? Consonants. Yes. See, this is that is opposite of, that is vowels, right? See, consonants. That is, which are the letters, that is, other than that in the alphabet are named as consonants. Yes. So, other than that of vowel letters in the alphabets are known as consonant letters, right? So the remaining letters in the vowel letters, right, in the alphabets. Yes, let's write that. See, what are the consonants? Yes, you should leave the vowel letters. That is, what are the vowels first? A, E, I, O, U. So remaining letters of these letters in the alphabet are consonants. Let's write that. So you should leave out the A. Now that is B, C, D. You should leave that. F, G, H, I. You should leave that. Next, J, K, L, M, N, O. You should leave that. P, Q, R. Next, S, T. You should leave that. V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are all the consonant letters in the alphabets. That is remaining letters. That is remaining letters other than letters of vowel letters in the alphabets or considered as what? Consonants, right? So these are all the consonant letters. See, let's see that. See, this is also, see, this contains also same meaning. That is, you should see the consonant letter. That is in the word, starting letter. Yes, the word begins with this letter means it is a, there is consonant. We should use yeah. Yes, before that word. Yes, we should use article a before that word. Yes, for that rules only we are seeing the vowels and consonants, right? See, if it contains that is vowel letter as beginning of the word means you should use an. Yes, the article an before the word. Yes, but if the word starts, that is the word begins with these letter means you should apply an article that is yeah. Yes, yeah before the word. So that is the difference between both vowels and consonants. Yes, so let's do this. See, let's circle the consonant letters which I have given in this. That is in this words, right? Let's do that. See, what are the consonant letters in these words? See here. See the first word, tomato. What are the words I have given here? Tomato, bench, girl, school, note, mother, eyes, baby. Right? So I have given these words. We are going to circle a consonant letter alone in these words. Right? Let's circle, children. So what are the consonant? You should not see the vowel letters, right? You should see these letters alone. So T, tin, yum, again T. Here bench, B, E is a vowel, right? So you should leave that. N, C, H, then girl. See the word girl? G, I is a vowel, leave that. R, L. See the word school? S, C, H, O and all vowel letter, leave that. L. Then note, N, T, right. O and E are the vowel letters. Next, M, T, H, R. Yes, so O and E are the vowel letters. Next, come to this word. Y. Yes. E or the, that is 2E is there, no? So that is a vowel letter. So leave that. Next, baby. B. Again B. Y. So these are all the consonant letters in these four. Yes. So children, these are all the consonant letters. We have done that. We have circled in these words, right? So you just be aware of this vowels and consonants. Then only you can study the article a, an, and the. Yes, where we want to use, where we should use. Then only you can able to learn the that is usage of an article, right? So you should be aware of that is vowels and consonants first. So these are all the vowels and consonants. That is vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Then what are the consonants? The other letters, the other than of vowels in the alphabets, right? Other than of vowels in the alphabets, yes, or named as what? Consonants. The remaining letters, yes, in the alphabets, that is other than that of vowels in the alphabets, or named as what? Consonants. Yes, children. See, I hope you all understood, children. Thank you for being a part of this session. Thank you.